want to crop your video like this and maybe style it a bit, maybe increase saturation, brightness, contrast, all of that, and even add zooms like this. This is so cool, right? If you want to do it for free, go to rookieclip.com. You'll see the screen here. It says to drop your camera and screen video, so let's do that. Let me drop this here. Awesome. Now let's resize it a bit. Click on background and let's choose some background here. I think this looks better. Now let's add some border radius here. Go to style, increase the border radius. Double click on this element right here. The resize handles will be gone. If you click on it, it will come. If you double click, it will be gone. Okay. Now let's drop some camera recording. Let me do some styling here. Let's increase brightness and all of that. Yeah, look better. Before resizing, let me show you one cool effect. It's known as move down effect. So what happens is that it will move down to one corner of the screen. So go to options, click on add move down effect and bring the playhead to closer to 0 and just click on it and hit play. So it will move to one corner of the screen like this. This is so cool, right? When you're doing some tutorial video, this really looks cool. If you want to remove it, just click on the element and hit remove. That's it. Let's crop it a bit and exit crop mode. That's it. Now I'll just reduce the size because I want it to be seen in one corner of the screen like this, and give it some border radius. I think the contrast is a bit too much. Let me reduce the values. Yeah, but awesome, right? This is your typical screen studio type editor for free. Now let's do the best part. Let's add some zooms. So click on zoom and click on add zoom here. Now select the green rectangle here. And you need to drag the position of this rectangle. The trick is to place where you want to zoom to be in the center of this rectangle. And let's hit play. It will zoom. Awesome, right? That's it. Now the last thing to do is export, but I want to show you another cool feature. That is, you can add multiple other videos on the timeline. So unlike other editors that restrict you to only have those 2 camera and screen recordings, you can add multiple other videos. So let me add this here and hit play. So it will play the other video as well. Now the reason you saw that black screen for a bit is because these elements aren't close enough. Now let me play again. Okay. Awesome, right? Now let's just export. But before that, if you want to delete this element, just select it and hit delete, or you can even click on split if you want to split it. Let's just hit delete since we don't want it. Now in order to export, just place your playhead or seeker closer to 0 and hit export. It will get downloaded automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.